Hi guys, welcome back to Flatbreak Adventures, and today what I want to show you is my new camper trailer that you can see behind me. So yeah, we bought it budget build, the $300 trailer off Facebook Marketplace. So we'll go for a look around. I think it's 6 foot by 5 foot. The box on the front. Got the frame for the rooftop tent. The back lifts up. So yeah, it was a work in progress. So anyway, thought I'd show it to you guys and get to work on it. Let's get it ready for rego. It's already had an inspection and been knocked back. The tyres need replacing. It needs some reflectors put on the side of it. It needs this box taken off the front because it's all pretty rough. We'll get another one. It's all pretty rusty down there, and there's holes in it.